Hello viewer, we are in Photoshop, so let's apply the changes there. Then here we will generate more features and create the radicals there. Also change the paint bucket tool. Here we will change the color of the paint bucket. So let's apply more changes. We have to use it for a new design. Then create the further changes. And we will have that radical design. So that's it.